Hello, good afternoon. It's Miss Ski again. You're probably like, wow, Miss, do you ever change your clothes? Or why are you making so many videos in one day? I had the energy. Also, my hair is fire today. This is after 4 or 5 workouts, and the curls are still glorious. So, in the first 3 videos, we talked about in video 1, establishing your very basic Tabata, which is just 6 exercises. Video 2 was pairing the exercises, so now you have an A and B format. Video 3 was teaching you about the descending ladder, how each round has a different rep scheme, but still working within your 40-20 parameter. Now we're on video 4, excuse me, and we're going to use the deck of cards format. And as you see, I have not assigned anything for the deck of cards. If you've seen the deck of cards workouts, in the other videos, you know that there are 4 suits. We have our hearts, diamonds, spades, clubs, plus you have face cards, jokers, and aces. So knowing that I have like 7 things, a lot of people just use the 4 main suits to do their exercises with, but I'm like, oh no, I have 6 different exercises and I want to get them in there. So one of the things you can do is I like to usually work within the 4 suits, and then use all face cards, including the Joker, as my 5th suit for burpees. So usually burpees are like the face cards and Jokers. So that's one way of doing it. So I'm just going to go ahead and label my first one. So group 1 is hearts. Group 2 is lunges. And that is diamonds. I'm going to skip group 3 for right now. Those are burpees. Group 4, I'm going to make the spades, and I'm really terrible at drawing the spade. Group 5, I am going to make the clubs. All right, and so I can see, and I know it's small, but I know that those are my hearts, these are my diamonds, that's my spades, these are my clubs. And you can see there's nothing on burpees, and there's nothing on number 6. Now, if you want to leave one out and just work with all your face cards and jokers, I would usually keep the burpee and I would say, okay, these are the 5 I'm working with. I would raise 6. So then I would say J plus face as like a note to myself that I know that the joker plus all face cards are going to equal burpees. And while I'm at it, I would say the aces. So J, face plus ace. And we're just going to pretend in this version of the deck of cards that group 6 doesn't exist. So just quickly, if I was to pull hearts, an 8 of hearts, then I know I'm doing 8 squats, 8 door kicks over and over for 40 seconds of time, right? If I pulled in this version an ace, a jack, queen, king, or joker, I know that I'm going to do burpees. To make it super easy, since I'm only doing 5 things, I would assign this for time. So any of those cards equals burpees for time. So Joker is burpees for time, and Ace is burpees for time, Jack, Queen, King, burpees for time. My spades, if I pull a 7 of spades, is 7 Superman, 7 mountain climbers. Clubs, if I pull a 10 of clubs, then I have 10 lunges, 10 jumping jacks, 10 lunges, 10 jumping jacks. And then you would repeat that until your cycles are done and you would go to the top. So that's one way to do the deck of cards. If you were like, oh, but Miss Ski, you said I have 6 of my base and it's just easier for me to use all of those. So here's what I would do for that. I would then take my push-ups and I would make these the face cards only. So Jack, Queen, King, right? Because Jack, Queen, King, we can call 11, 12, and 13. My burpees now are going to be jokers and ace only. And those will still be for time. So if you're using all 6, because your Tabata is set for your 6 cycles anyways, right? So if you pull a jack of spades, it doesn't matter because it's a jack. You're going to do 11 push-ups, 11 shoulder taps over and over. If you pull a queen of any suit, then you're doing 12 of each thing over and over. And then for burpees, if you pull a joker, it's burpees for 40 seconds. If you pull an ace, it's burpees for 40 seconds, plus your 20-second rest. Or if you're like, yo, Miss Ski, that sounds crazy hard, because now that I'm saying it out loud, it does sound hard. Maybe you want to put them the other way. So these will be all your face cards, and these would only be your aces and jokers. So it's really up to you how you want to design it to keep the work going. But again, using your same base Tabata and just manipulating it so that it can work for you in your workout. I know this one was a little bit more confusing because as I was speaking, I had the ideas flourishing in my brain, which happens a lot. But stay tuned. We have a final video. I'm going to explain a burner workout. It is probably my most favorite, but I don't do it very often, for it is the most tiring. Anyways, let me know how you think about the deck of cards explanation, and if you try it out. This is Miss Ski from Spark Academy saying goodbye and good night.